Mastering lean manufacturing techniques. Single-piece flow shatters batch mentality, unleashing unstoppable efficiency. What is the concept of single-piece flow in lean manufacturing, and how does its implementation enable organizations to achieve enhanced efficiency, reduced waste, and improved productivity by focusing on the continuous flow of individual units or products through the production process, rather than producing in large batches? The concept of single-piece flow in lean manufacturing is a production strategy that involves processing and moving individual units or products through the production process one at a time, rather than producing in large batches. This approach is rooted in the principles of continuous improvement and flow production, which aim to minimize waste, maximize efficiency, and optimize productivity. In a traditional batch and queue production system, large quantities of raw materials are processed together, and then the batches are moved to the next stage of production, where they are processed again, and so on. This approach leads to a buildup of inventory, prolonged lead times, and increased waste. In contrast, single-piece flow production focuses on the continuous flow of individual units, where each unit is processed and moved immediately to the next stage of production. The implementation of single-piece flow production enables organizations to achieve enhanced efficiency, reduced waste, and improved productivity in several ways. 1. Reduced inventory. By producing and moving individual units, organizations can significantly reduce inventory levels, which leads to lower storage costs, minimized obsolescence, and reduced risk of inventory damage. 2. Improved quality. Single-piece flow production allows for immediate detection and correction of defects, which improves overall product quality and reduces the risk of defective products reaching customers. 3. Increased productivity. By focusing on the continuous flow of individual units, organizations can optimize their production process, eliminate non-value-added activities, and improve labor productivity. 4. Reduced lead times. Single-piece flow production enables organizations to respond quickly to changing customer demands, as production and delivery lead times are significantly reduced. 5. Enhanced flexibility. With single-piece flow production, organizations can quickly adjust to changes in customer demand, product mix, or production volume, without incurring significant penalties or disruptions. 6. Improved visibility and control. Single-piece flow production provides real-time visibility into the production process, enabling organizations to identify and address issues promptly, and make data-driven decisions to optimize production. 7. Reduced waste. By producing individual units, organizations can minimize waste, scrap, and rework, which leads to cost savings, reduced environmental impact, and improved sustainability. 8. Improved customer satisfaction. Single-piece flow production enables organizations to respond quickly to customer demands, provide customized products, and improve overall customer satisfaction. To successfully implement single-piece flow production, organizations must 1. Map and analyze the production process, identify value-added and non-value-added activities, and eliminate or optimize non-essential processes. 2. Implement standardized work. Establish clear, standardized procedures for each production step, to ensure consistency and efficiency. 3. Design and implement a cellular layout. Organize production cells to facilitate the continuous flow of individual units, and minimize transportation, handling, and storage. 4. Train and empower employees. Provide employees with the skills and authority to work efficiently, identify and address issues, and make decisions to optimize production. 5. Implement pull production. Use a pull system to control production, where each stage of production pulls the required quantities of material or products from the previous stage. 6. Monitor and analyze performance metrics. Track key performance metrics, such as lead time, throughput, quality, and inventory levels, to identify areas for improvement and optimize production. By adopting single-piece flow production, organizations can unlock the benefits of lean manufacturing, including enhanced efficiency, reduced waste, and improved productivity, ultimately leading to increased customer satisfaction and competitiveness in the market.